I say, this is kind of my first attempt at building something myself. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it's pretty cool.
I think it looks good, man.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. Nice. Who did this?
Me. This is my first attempt at building something myself.
Okay.
Still has some kinks I gotta work out. But
Yes, sir.
It does okay. It's not the loudest, but it's crystal clear.
Yes, sir.
Now.
What's your name and what is in here, man?
I'm Josh. Everybody calls me Tank. It's a DC level 518. Then I have 8 DD 6x9s and 12 DD tweeters.
Okay.
On 2 DD 100 to 4s, 1 DD SS4B 350 to 4, and then an audio pipe 3K at 2 ohms.
Okay.
For the sub, of course.
Nice. Is there a port?
Right here, actually.
Right here? Okay.
It's kind of covered up by the. That's one of the things I got to work out. I got to move that over.
Yeah.
So you can see the.
So you don't block part of the port. Yeah.
Exactly.
That'll help your output too.
Yeah.
Port
Exactly.
area is critical. Yes, sir.
I actually have 2 more 18s that'll be in here soon.
Really? So you're gonna have a 3 lined up, or what's your plan?
They're probably going to be subs up, port forward.
Okay.
But yeah, there will be 3 DC level 518s.
Yep.
And then there will be a Salt 10K on.
Okay.
Be wired at like 0.6.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, like I said, this is kind of my first attempt at building something myself. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it's pretty cool.
I think it looks good, man.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. And it's a good sound quality build. It ain't gonna be just bass, and it ain't gonna be just highs. You got about.
And that's what I was going for. And I got my controls, so I can turn the highs off, bass on, or vice versa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was going for, because I love them. But I love bass, but I also like sound quality.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
What was your name?
Josh. Everybody calls me Tank.
Tank?
Yeah.
Josh Tank. All right, man. All right.
But yeah, man. Okay, let's turn it up.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Does it do better windows up or down?
Usually driver's side down, the rest up is fine.
Okay. All right, let's do it. You have a good day, Josh.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Yes, sir. You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.